In this video I'm going to share how you can make money playing games. Now the gaming industry is just getting bigger and bigger every single year, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to walk you through the process. I'm going to show you a couple of different methods that you can use to make some extra money. These are all absolutely free to get started with. Some of them are available worldwide, and what I'm going to do is I'll show you the websites, I'll show you how you can do this yourself, and I'll also share some results of people who are already doing this. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So if you're excited to learn about how you can make some money online playing games, comment down below, give this video a like if you found it useful. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And look, if you like really simple and really easy ways to make money online, then subscribe to my channel and hit notifications, and I'll always let you know when I've uploaded. And if you want some free resources to earn some money online, go over to my blog here, up here, there's a members area. Just go on here, earn money online, and you can go and get some free resources to make money online. It's all really simple stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So this come about basically, my son, he was playing on his tablet, and he was playing on, like, he's obsessed with wildlife and other things, and he was playing on this wildlife simulator of him being a lion just roaming around basically. So I thought, I wonder if people are looking at this content on the internet. And obviously I went to YouTube and I had a look on YouTube, and believe it or not, there's lots of people who are looking for these videos and consuming these videos, but there's not that many people doing this method. And what I'm going to do is I'll show you a couple of examples of people doing this. I'll show you how you can do this yourself, and I'll show you some earnings, because the earnings are absolutely staggering of how much you can actually earn with this method. So method number one is creating a YouTube channel. Now do not worry, please don't worry, I'll click off this video because I've said go and create a YouTube channel, because you do not need to be on camera, you don't even need to talk. And look, let me just show you this and show you how simple this is to go and get this set up. Okay, so on here I've just gone on the top and I've typed in wildlife simulator. Now this was the sort of game that my son was playing, and on here you can see these are exactly the videos. So you can see this one here, for instance, this is just a pig walking around. It's just nuts, but you can see here it's had 3,000 views. But come down here, we've then got another one with 15,000 views, and I just started going through these and having a look at these different channels. But basically all they're doing is they're just recording themselves playing on a phone or on a tablet or on an iPad, etc. And there's not many people actually doing this. So you've got this Dave's game, and he seems to be, he has quite a lot of these videos on here, but again, it's just him recording, playing on a tablet. But scroll down here, we've got this one here, we've got official stuff plus. But look at this, Dave's Gaming has got 206,000 subscribers. This one here has got 75,000 subscribers. And then if I come down here, look at this one here, Droid Game Plays TV. It's got over 1 million subscribers, and again, all they're doing here is, as you can see on the video here, let me just move off there, this video here, it's an eagle simulator. He's playing a game of an eagle flying around, he's uploading it to YouTube, and he's earning money from doing so. So, when I say go ahead and create a YouTube channel, I do not mean go and be like, I don't even know the names of them, PewDiePie and all of these other big gamers, because that market, that sort of creating a gaming channel, it's so saturated, there's just so many people doing that. But in terms of this one here, these apps and these games that you can just go ahead and play and record the screen and upload it, there's not many people doing this. And as you can see from the number of subscribers, so between these three channels here, you've got 1 million subscribers here, you've got 200,000 subscribers here, and then the one up there, it was 70,000 subscribers. So it's just absolutely insane. So all you need for this is you just need a phone or a tablet, and all you do is you download, you go ahead, you download the games, you play them, and you record your screen. And again, you can get free apps to record your screen. Just go on whatever device you're using and put in free screen recorder, and then you just play the game, it records it for you. Once it's recorded, you then upload it to YouTube, you give it a decent title, you give it some tags, and then you upload it on there. Now let me just show you some earnings about this, because like I said, this is just insane. Let me go and show you this. So this here, it's called Socialblade.com. Now, this is absolutely free, this site, but basically you come over here, you type in a username on here, and it will bring up all the details for you. So this is this one here, Droid Game Plays TV. Now, this is the Droid Game channel here. So you can see these are all the games that these are all of the videos that is uploaded. So you can see here this one uploaded 2 hours ago. We've got another one here, but I mean look at this one. This one was uploaded 24 hours ago, and it's had 16,000 views. And you can just go through these and have a look at these. But I spent a little bit of time on his channel having a look at what he's doing, and he's literally just going on the App Store, downloading games, playing them, recording his screen, uploading them onto YouTube. and that he doesn't talk in them. He's never on camera. All he's doing is just recording his screen, and you can just. I just find it absolutely mental that people would sit and watch these sorts of videos, but they do. Whether it's kids, adults, whatever, but there's definitely a market for this. And in terms of how much he's earning, let's go back over here. So scroll down here so you can see. Let me just scroll this down the page for you. These are his estimated earnings. So you can see here, estimated monthly earnings is anywhere between £5,000 and £80,000. And yearly earnings is anywhere estimated from 60 to 965,000. So even if you take like a conservative figure here and went somewhere, even if you went half, even if you went in the middle, this channel here is nearly earning £500,000 a year to upload games of him playing Android games. Now for here, let's just go and show you some more stats on here. You can see here on the left hand side you've got the date, and then every single day these are the number of subscribers. So this channel here, just scroll this back down here. Oh, he's just uploaded a new video, so that's why that's changed. But you can see on here, this is today. So today he's already received 1,163 new subscribers. This is the running total, obviously. Then these here are the views. So these are the views that he's getting every single day. Then you can see these are the rough earnings per day of how much this person is earning just for uploading these videos on YouTube. It's just crazy, isn't it? Just to go ahead and play games and upload them onto YouTube. So that is Droid Games TV, and like I say, you can go over to this channel here, this Socialblade, and you simply type in the person's username, so you can go and have a look at that. Go and check out the other channels and see how much they're earning, because like I say, you'll be amazed at this and how much money you can earn from doing this. But it's absolutely free because you're doing it on YouTube. It's available worldwide, and all of these games on here, all of these simulator games, they're all free. You can get all of these games for free. Just go on any app store, even the Amazon store. Over on Amazon, they've got lots and lots of these apps that you can just simply download, play, record, upload. It genuinely is that simple. And like I said, there's not a lot of people doing this. Over in this one, I found about 4 channels, and all of the 4 channels, they all had over 100,000 subscribers each. So it's really cool. So that is method number 1. I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned below for you. The next one we're going to have a look at is this website here. It's called PlayTestCloud.com. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail about PlayTest on this video because I did a video on PlayTest covering them really in depth, showing you the whole process. I did that video about 3 weeks ago. So what I'll do is I'll drop a link to that video below for you. You can go ahead and check that out if you want. But basically, let me see, when was the video? See if I can find it on here for you. Was it longer than 3 weeks ago? No, it was here. There. You can see it was 3 weeks ago. How you can earn up to $36 an hour playing video games. I'll drop a link to this video below for you so you can go ahead and have a look at that in a bit more in depth. But basically how it works is you come over to this website here, playtest.com. Now this is the front end. This is geared around developers and game developers and app developers, and they're coming on here, and basically what they do is they bring their game or their app, they put it onto this platform, they then obviously pay this platform to use their testers. Now all of this stuff here, again, don't worry about any of this, this is not for you. What you want to be focused on is this up here where it says become a tester. So you go to the top, click on become a tester. This is the Become a Tester page. It's a really simple sign-up process. So how it works is it's a kind of a 3-step process. We'll send games to your email address, and then basically you think out loud whilst you play them, and then you get paid via PayPal. Now if I scroll down here, literally name, email, a couple of questions about different games, you know, do you play on iOS, Android, etc, etc. Come down here, the biggest one you want to probably know is about which country is this available in. Well, it's available in the US, UK and Canada. And then also, where is it, how much do I earn, where is it, here we go. So basically, you will earn, for a 15-minute test and server, you will earn $9. So you earn $9 per server, and it's 15 minutes. So basically, you can earn $36 in an hour for completing 4 15-minute tests. So that is PlayTest. Like I said, I'll drop a link over to this video below for you. You can go ahead and check this out, and it just goes over it a bit more in depth for you. So that is method number 2. And the last one we're going to look at is this website here, and it's called secondlife.com. Now I saw a video on this on YouTube probably about 2 or 3 days ago about this, about people who are earning money on here, because I was researching about, you know, how people earn money online and work from home for an article I'm doing on the blog, and I found this video of a lady talking about how she makes money on this website here called Second Life. So I found it a bit insane really, but people are making money on here, people are actually enjoying this, and there's thousands, well I think hundreds of thousands of people on this platform here called Second Life, so your world, your imagination. So how this works is, you can, I'll drop a link to this below for you, you can go ahead and check this out, but scroll right down to the bottom here, they've got something here called Second Life Marketplace. So if you go into the Marketplace, this here is where people are creating virtual products and then they're selling them on here on this Second Life Marketplace. Now, again, I'll drop a link to this below for you, you can go ahead and check this out, and you know, some of these bizarre things that people are creating and then they're just putting them up on here. So I mean, look at this. What's this? A purple lip gloss. It's $150. Now, when I say dollars, this is using what's called, they're called Linden dollars on this platform. So you earn Linden dollars. But you can go ahead and have a look at this and see all the different types of things that people are creating and then selling on here. And then what happens is you get paid in this Linden dollars. And then once you've got those Linden dollars, you then go over to their internal exchange, which is this one here. And then you swap your Linden dollars that you have earned, and then you can go ahead and transfer that over into, you can see you can transfer that into PayPal. You've got Skrill on here. You've also got PaySafe. You can even do cryptocurrency on there. So you can go ahead and have a look at all this. But basically, you take your Linden dollars, you come over here, and then you can transfer it to, like say, whichever one of these payments that you want. But I don't know too much about this platform, so I'm not going to try and pretend I do, but I'll drop links to this below for you, and I'll also drop a link over to the video of the lady who was talking about how much money she earns on here, and just basically what she does. But you can go through here, through this marketplace, and you can go through all these different categories and have a look at what people are doing. And then also as well, they've got along down at the bottom, they've got the, they've got blogs on here, so you can go ahead and read the blogs, and in some of the articles, they walk you through the process of how you can get this set up, how you can go ahead and start making money using this platform here, this Second Life. But it's very, very popular, and that is the third way that you can go ahead and make money online playing games. So that is pretty much today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any comments, questions, then go ahead and leave them below. Let me know down below in the comments if you're using any of these methods to make money online. I'd be very interested to know if you are. And yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. But thank you for watching. I shall see you tomorrow.